Welcome to the blame game. Whose fault is it anyway? This week we discuss attention to detail. In this series, we address and discuss the top complaints service advisors have relating to their technicians. Attention to detail is an essential quality in any profession, but is especially critical in the automotive repair industry. Service advisors rely on the thoroughness of technicians to ensure that vehicles are correctly diagnosed and repaired. However, a lack of attention to detail on the part of technicians can lead to missed or incomplete repairs, leading to unhappy customers and lost revenue for the dealership or repair shop. One of the areas where a lack of attention to detail can have the most significant impact is during the inspection process. Service advisors rely on technicians to perform a thorough inspection of each vehicle that comes into the shop. This inspection includes a visual check of the vehicle's exterior, a test drive, and sometimes a diagnostic scan of the onboard computer system. Unfortunately, some technicians may not take the time to perform a thorough inspection, leading to missed or incomplete repairs. For example, a technician may forget to check the air filter, leading to reduced engine performance, or may overlook a worn suspension component, leading to a bumpy ride for the customer. These oversights can be frustrating for service advisors who are trying to provide excellent customer service. Customers who bring their vehicles into a dealership or repair shop expect their vehicles to be thoroughly inspected and repaired. When a technician overlooks a problem, it can lead to an unhappy customer who may decide to take their business elsewhere. The impact of a lack of attention to detail can be felt throughout the entire repair process. For example, if a technician fails to properly diagnose a problem, it can lead to unnecessary repairs and wasted time and money. Additionally, if a technician fails to correctly repair a problem, it can lead to additional repairs down the line, further frustrating the customer and damaging the dealership or repair shop's reputation. Just as well, if the service advisor does not properly document the concerns of the customer, the technician may not even have the right focus at the start. To address this issue, service advisors and managers must work with technicians to emphasize the importance of attention to detail. This can include training programs, workshops, and ongoing coaching to reinforce the importance of thorough inspections and repairs. Additionally, service advisors can develop processes to ensure that technicians are performing a comprehensive inspection of each vehicle, including checklists and audits to ensure that nothing is overlooked. In conclusion, a lack of attention to detail can have a significant impact on the automotive repair industry, leading to missed or incomplete repairs, unhappy customers, and lost revenue for the dealership or repair shop. By emphasizing the importance of attention to detail and implementing processes to ensure that technicians are performing a thorough inspection of each vehicle, service advisors can improve customer satisfaction and protect the reputation of the dealership or repair shop. Thanks for joining us. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as well as follow our other platforms for valuable content to help your shop reach its greatest potential.